Andy, a deserved win, an important 3 points, and now an 8-point buffer between yourselves and the bottom two.
Yeah, just what the doctor ordered, isn't it? You know, we spoke about it before the game, and super proud of the boys to, you know, really done well today. Good dominating performance, I thought, and you know, we've just let ourselves down right at the end of there, conceding that set play. But overall, boys were fantastic.
You described the game pre-match as a must-not-lose game. Yeah. Unfortunately, you have lost that game. Yeah. What did you make of the performance?
It was a poor performance. It was a poor performance. We spoke about it before the game, and the build-up, all the preparation's been great, and then we didn't execute it. It's okay. Say whatever words you want in the dressing room. We've got to execute it on the pitch, and we didn't do it today. You know, give away 2 scrappy goals, but to be honest, even without the goals, they were probably slightly got the noses in front in terms of possession and dominating the play a little bit. But you know, we weren't at it today. We weren't at it.
Well, Tom, a key win and another important 3 points for Britain Ferry today.
Yeah, it's massive. We've been building to it all week in training. We knew how big this game would be to increase the gap on them. But it was a dogfight, but we got the 3 points in the end.
And you got the all-important first goal and another super volley.
The ball was falling perfect for me, so everything in my head tells you to hit it in. Luckily, we're in the back of the net.
Now, Ollie, you scored the second goal, but I'm sure you've got a thanks for his assist again.
Yeah, he's been assisting a lot of my goals. It's becoming a common theme now, but yeah, just chuffed with the win and keep pushing on now.
There's still 6 games to go, depending on what happens later on this afternoon. You know, mathematically, it's still possible. Until the time it's not, we will be fighting and scrapping for every point that we can get hold of. You know, got a big game against Llansawel next week, and then another 5 cup finals after that. You know, and at the end of the day, the league doesn't lie. So we are where we are for a reason. And you can go on about problems and budgets and all the rest of it, and you know, hard luck stories that we've had all season. But the league doesn't lie. We are where we are for a reason. And you know, the only thing I can say is we will fight and scrap for every point that we can get hold of, and try and get ourselves out of it. And you know, if we do go down, we'll go down fighting.